In Coralejo on Fuerteventura we met up with our friends from the RIOT. On a tour on land we tried out a GoPro drone. Nicole is also ready.
Prepare the lunch.
Nicole and I, we are going for a kite surf. We are going to kite surf today. Reshi is an experienced kite surfer and he offered us a free kite lesson. We learned how to control the kite on the beach before going into the water. Learning to kite surf is all about kite control and to feel the power of the wind. We sailed to the famous Papagayo beach. We were cruising side by side in a very choppy sea. The waves were short and steep. To slow down, we reduced our sail area. After this short, shaky cruise, we arrived at the Papagayo beach. What a surprise, a brand new Dragonfly 28 arrived in our bay. The boat belongs to a German guy, he's called Henning. He has a yacht service company and he's living in Lanzarote. He sailed that Dragonfly from Denmark to the Canary Islands. We had to say goodbye to our friends from the RIOT. Later that day, they had a scary incident. They had a collision with a whale, but luckily no one got hurt. We hoist our sails and we were cruising down the coast of Fuerteventura. have a fish. We have a fish. We got the fish.
Hou het hand tussen de knieën. Kom door de vis gaan hebben. Angst dat ze niet wehtun.
Finally, we caught our first fish. Ta-da-da-da! We got a fish!
Shoo! My first fish in 6 months sailing.
Richtig gross, ja?
Yeah. Now we have our delicious dinner.
On the coast of Fuerteventura, we had the perfect condition to try out the new sail configuration. I tried out something new. I have the sails now in a butterfly position and it works fantastic. We have the wind from behind and I have the mainsail on the right side and the Genoa on the left side. The mainsail is secured, that's very important. This one here. And on the other side, the Genoa is fitted to the outrigger. And this works fantastic! We arrived in Morrojable on the southern end of Fuerteventura. What comes next? When we were kitesurfing, we met the 3 musketeers and we invited them for a sail.